and one of his handholds. These two are purchased together. They are matched according to the length of the keyboard I bought. There are 2 rubbers on the back of the hand. Oh, this rubber smells bad. This rubber smells bad. I don't know whether it's a piece of wood or several layers of wood stacked together. Let's shoot now. This is a quick manual, all in English. It's very good. There's an anti-pressure plastic board on it. I bought a clean shaft, it has a crisp sound. It seems that there are 2 versions of the light band, one is 2 GB, the other is white light. There is also a version of the plastic frame, there is a version of the hardware should be metal, and can be replaced by the arrow cap he gave you. Change the color of the arrow cap to Windows. This is a shoulder of Windows. You can change it to Windows. This is a tool for demolition and construction. Is this a charging line or a charging line? It's very sweet that this place has a 90-degree corner. In this way, we can avoid the awkward broken line. This is very good. I'll connect it to my expansion room later. There is a USB interface, which should be used for charging.